To Crafty Q. So today I want to show you guys a birthday party that I put together in pretty much about 5-6 hours. I've been up all night. Long story short, my son was sick, so we missed his birthday party that was planned, and he's feeling better now, so we decided to go ahead and just throw him a little something. A lot of my family went away on vacation, so they're not here, so we just invited just the grandparents, for a quick little last minute birthday party. We just said, hey, come over today and we will do something for our son who just turned 4. And as you can tell, he loves Toy Story. So I'm gonna show you guys what I came up with. Again, this took me, only a few hours to kind of put together. If I had more time, we would have had more people, and I would have had a lot more decorations. But as far as it being a last minute party, kind of just thrown together in just a couple hours, I'll show you what I came up with. All right, so let's get started. So I have and everything, pretty much everything here I already had at home. So I didn't have to go to the store to purchase anything. So a lot of these items that I use are great to just keep on hand in case you are in a bind and have to throw a party at the last minute. All right, so we have the blue Dollar Store plastic tablecloth to go with the color theme of Toy Story. I have a red table runner, just to kind of add more color to the table instead of it just being all blue. I have the Dollar Tree paper plates. I have the bigger one on the bottom with the smaller cake plate on top. And I just kind of alternated the colors just to give it that added touch. Inside the cups, I have the blue napkins to kind of tie the tablecloth together. And as far as the centerpieces, or table decorations rather, on the end I have these balloon stands. And they're very easy to put together. I don't like using helium. I believe it costs too much. And I just don't feel like keeping helium takes, on hand all the time. And this works for me. So I have this stand that holds, multiple balloons. And I have these balloon stands in the center. And they are cute. I like them. They're not very sturdy. So I would not suggest using these outside because they will blow away. But as far as us doing a party in the house, it works. So I have alternating color balloons. And of course I have Forky. We can't forget about Forky. I did these cutouts on my computer in my cutting machine. And we have Jessie. And then we have Buzz. All right, Buzz, he's a little twisted. And all I did was just use double-sided tape to tape these to the balloons. I don't really have time to, make them double-sided, but, for a purpose of a small family party, I don't think it really matters. And then, of course, we can't forget about Woody. And I just have the other set of the multiple balloon stands on that end. And then we have, I just made these, just last minute. I went on my computer, and I think they're so cute. I think they did come out pretty awesome. I have these little water bottles. Luckily, I only had about 10 water bottles here, and that's as many guests that we're having, so it worked out perfectly. So I did these on my computer. I have his picture here. I have his nutrition facts. I have Kate is turning 4, so the Toy Story logo, and then also the backdrop that you see in all the Toy Story movies with the cloud wall. So I have them for each person. And let's see what's next. We have these chair covers. So the chair covers, I'm using the white. And then I had all these color chair sashes already from previous parties that I've done. I throw lots of parties for my 3 kids. They're spoiled. So and plus I just love doing it. I love their reactions when they come downstairs and they're surprised at what decorations that, mommy has put together and daddy has helped with as well. I have to give daddy credit too. So we have all the chair sashes right here. And then I'll show you, I didn't have time to, purchase decorations because I would have purchased the wall decorations. So instead, I tried to do my own. It didn't come out that great, but for my 4-year-old, I don't think he really cares. So we have this K4 sign. So I made this sign. I cut out the red paper, try to do the shape of the Toy Story logo. And these are each individual letters that I cut by hand. And also the number 4. And then I just taped them to the red sign. I think it came close to looking like the Toy Story sign. And you guys, look at my Forky. He's not the greatest, but again, my son loves Forky, and I think that when he comes downstairs and see this little guy, he's just going to be in awe. And then just to add a little color to the room, I have my my uplight, just one red uplight, so it kind of shines on his name because my baby's name is in lights. So there we have it there. And then lastly, my backdrop, it's just plastic tablecloths that I kind of just threw up here. I really running out of time. The couple of family members that are coming are on their way. So I just kind of threw that up just to give the room some color. And so it's just a yellow tablecloth, and I just put the balloons. I need to kind of fix them a little bit more, but it's okay for now. And that is it, guys. And then as far as like, oh, here's one more thing. I forgot. I made these cupcake toppers. So we're waiting for the cupcakes to cool. Like I said, like everything is so thrown together and so last minute. But we have these cupcake toppers, and Woody should be in here somewhere. Yep, there's Woody. So yeah, so I'll throw these on the little cupcakes that we have, that we made. And last is just this big blow up we have. So we're gonna blow this up. So this will be, you know, my kids' entertainment for this mini birthday party. So I think they will enjoy it. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And I hope I was able to give you a few tips for, you know, those moms or even dads who are looking to throw last minute birthday parties. I think it came out pretty cute. So, all right, guys, I thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And I will be sure to talk to you in the next one. Take care, guys.